Hello, welcome to another Warrior Engagement Navigator pointer. In today's pointer, we will be discussing how to check in Wayne State students, faculty, and staff, and outside guests for your event using the Campus Labs Check-in app. Note, this is a different app than Court. For this video, we will be using an iOS device, which may look different when compared to Android.
Let's start by first going to the App Store and in the search bar, type in Campus Labs Event Check-in. Download and open the app. Once opened, it asks for your event code. The event code can be found in the lower right corner of your event page that was created on Get Involved. It is automatically generated by Get Involved and does not change if you edit your event details. If you would like to learn how to create an event and get an event code, please refer to one of our previous videos.
Once you have entered the code in the Check-in app, click Start Session. If this is your first time opening the app, you'll need to get permission to access your camera so it can load up the QR scanning tool. Also, it may ask you to log in with your Access ID and password. After getting permission, you can now begin scanning and checking in attendees at your event. If someone has RSVP'd for your event, it will be noted when scanning them in. You can also look up any Wayne State affiliate by clicking Lookup and search for them by entering their Access ID.
If an outside guest attends your event, such as a community member or friend from an outside institution, you can also check them in by clicking the plus button and entering their email address. This will track the attendance of the outside guest as an unregistered user within Get Involved, since they do not have an active account. The last button, Attendees, will allow you to see all those who have already been checked in by the app. After the event, all this data can be exported from the event page on Get Involved.
And that wraps up discussing how to check in attendees for your event using the Campus Labs Check-in app. If you have any questions, please contact the Dean of Students office at 313-577-1010 and they'll happily answer any additional questions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Follow us on all of our social media platforms and visit our website for more tips and tricks on how to stay engaged and get involved.
Go Warriors!